So welcome back. For the first video, we showed how to create a project and how to create an application from the project. In this video, we'll be looking at the if statements under condition. In Visual Basic, we'll look at the if statement. So first and foremost, what I have to do, I have to add a new file. So I'll click Control Shift A, and it will give me to add a new item. What I want is a module, so I'll make it, I'll just call it condition or if statement. If statement, that is the name of the module. And as we are familiar, as you might be familiar with some other languages, the if statement comes with if else, and if else, if else. So it's a three-way statement. The first one, which is just a simple way, so I'll do this. I'll start with sub main. Good, that has to go in. So I'll have this. I'll declare this theme A as the number as integer. So I have this, I want this, so I'll do this console dot write this. Please enter any positive number. Okay, I want to check if number equals to console dot read line. I want to check if the number entered is less than 1 or is less than 10 or greater than 10. If num greater than 10, I'll do this, say console dot write number, which is this, the number entered I want it to be specified. 0 is greater than 10. So I have this. So which is the number entered is what number. So I close this. So after this, I'll say what console. Don't forget your read key. Console the read key. Now when you run this, you find out that it's still showing you your first program. It's showing you the first program, and actually I don't really want that first program. So what I wanted is this particular module that I just created. So what I should do is I should come to projects, go to tutorial properties, which is the tutorial properties. This tutorial, it will show the name of your project you created, the name you gave it at creation, because the two modules are in one project, that's why. So I'll click on the properties, then I'll click on the startup object and change the module from hello world to int to if statement. Then I'll run this again. So remember, we are looking at if a particular number entered by the user is greater than 10. So I'll enter the number. I'll enter a number that is less than 10. I enter 8. It doesn't print anything because this is just a single way if statement. It just consider if the number is greater than 10. If it is true, it will print. So 8 is not greater than 10, so it's not going to do anything. But when I run this again and I give a criteria, I say when I actually at this point I put a number that is greater than 10, which is 44 for instance. You tell me the number 44, the number entered 44 is greater than 10. So what about if I want you to consider when it is not true, when it is false? So then I have to introduce something I call here s. Then s console dot write not read write line, which I'll just copy same thing, but I'll just do a little tweak in the language in what I'm going to do. So the write, the number entered, this is less than 10. Good. So when I run this now, it will be able to consider the other aspect of the number. So when I do this, I said I entered 8. It tells me the number entered 8 is less than 10. So it cannot consider when it is not true. So we have an if else statement. And what about if it is equal to 10? Let me run this and I put 10. The number entered is less than 10. You know why it's showing this? Because everything, if it's not greater than, everything is less than. So I want it to detect if it's equal to 10. So for example, I'll make an else statement here. I can say else if number equal to 10. Now we have to take note in other languages, in more recent languages, the equal to is what we call is double equal to, and the logical equal to is double equal to. But in vb.net, it is just a single equal to. It's equal to 10. So when I run this and I enter the number 10, you see that you tell me it is equal to 10 now. Now it now have 3 states. It is equal to 10. It now has 3 states of this particular stuff. So this is the way we can also use to write a simple grading program. In the next program, we'll be writing a grader. We'll write a program that is called a grader to grade for us. So thank you for your time and do have a nice night. See you in the next program.